One of the intrinsic factors of a population is its national structure. Armenia is one of the few countries that has a population consisting mainly of one nationality. More than 96% of Armenia's population are Armenians. After Armenians, Yezdis have the second largest population in Armenia. There are about 60,000 Yezdis living in Armenia, who mainly live in the villages or rural areas, engaged in stock breeding and agriculture. Yezdis are not considered a separate nation. They are representatives of the Kurdish nation, who speak Kurdish but differ from Kurds due to their unique religious practices. However, the Yezdis in Armenia have demanded to be recognized as a separate nation. Since the end of the 1980s, Yezdis in Armenia are recognized as a nation independent of the Kurds. The second place belongs to Russians. Approximately 50,000 Russians live in urban areas. There are a large number of Ukrainians, Assyrians, and Greeks, among other nationalities, although the number of each is less than 10,000. Citizens of Republic of Armenia have equal rights and duties, irrespective of nationality. National minorities have their own schools, practice their culture and traditions. You can see from the diagram that the majority of the population of the Republic of Armenia are 96% Armenians, which is represented in red. The rest of the population consists of Yezdis, 1.5%, Assyrians, 1.4%, and Ukrainian, Georgians, and Greeks represent 1% of the population. We just became acquainted with the national structure of the population of the Republic of Armenia. Now let us look at the distribution of population. We should mention that the population is distributed in the urban and rural areas. In the Republic of Armenia, the total population of the Republic of Armenia is distributed among 48 cities. The cities of Republic of Armenia are divided into three groups according to their geographical significance, that is, according to their participation level in the geographic distribution of labor. Co-state center. This is the center of the united system of the habitations of Armenia's population, that is, the capital city, Yerevan, which is the center that connects Armenia with the external world, and it is the center of inter-Armenian links as well. Regional centers. These are the centers of the country's regions. Such centers are the administrative centers of marzes. Some of them are Gyumri, Vanadzor, Ijevan, Kapan, and Hrazdan. Local centers. The rest of the cities fall in this category. Now let us find out about the geographical features of Armenia's large cities. As it was mentioned earlier, Yerevan is the capital of the Republic of Armenia, the center that organizes and unifies Armenia's territory. Not only is it the largest among the 48 cities of Armenia, but it is the largest among the historical capitals of Armenia. According to the formal data of January 1, 1999, Yerevan's population was 1.3 million. It is located on the intersection of the northern latitude 40 degrees 25 minutes and eastern longitude 44 degrees 40 minutes, the same location as Washington, D.C., Madrid, Ankara, and Beijing. The importance of Yerevan's geographical location to transportation is, first of all, its international transit links. The railway that goes from the Black Sea to the Persian Gulf, and the railway connecting the Baku-Tbilisi line to Yerevan-Hrazdan-Ijevan-Aghstafa line intersect in Yerevan. These are internationally important factors for Yerevan. The Yerevan Lake Sevan-Sotk line is of local importance. Yerevan also connects to Turkey's railroads and to the harbors of the Mediterranean Sea through Gyumri and Kars. The international importance of this transit line may become more significant in case of favorable development in international relations. It would serve to develop bonds between Turkey, Azerbaijan, Iran, and Central Asia. Yerevan has a favorable location in the net of airways, and it may become the central point connecting Russia to the Middle East and Eastern Europe to Central and Northern Asia. This is Armenia's main gate, with Zvartnots and Erebuni international airports. A range of international highways pass through Yerevan. The microgeographical position of Yerevan is also interesting. The city lies in the central part of the Araratian peaks, climbing up north from the Ararat Valley on the slopes of the four mountains that have the shape of an amphitheater. The absolute height of the south is 860 meters, while the north it has about 1,400 meters height. Hrazdan River divides Yerevan into small parts, creating canyons and deep passes. The presence of Mount Ararat in the south and the four peaks of Mount Arakat in the west are very impressive in the city's architectural and constructional general view. There are few magnificent bridges constructed on top of the river Hrazdan and the pass, combining the two sides of the river bank, that is, the left and the right sides of the city. The bridge of Daftashen is being constructed now and is almost complete. The origin of Yerevan was discovered during archaeological excavations, where there was an inscription that King Arkish I of the Araratian, that is, Urartu kingdom, founded the Erebuni fort city in 782 BC. This means that Erebuni Yerevan is one of the oldest cities. The excavated fortress and the ruins of its royal palace are preserved at the southeastern part of the city in Erebuni district, where the History Museum of Yerevan is located. After Armenia's independence in 1918, Yerevan became the capital of the Republic of Armenia, later the capital of the Armenian Soviet Socialist Republic. Now Yerevan is the main center of economy and culture of Republic of Armenia, other than being the political administrative center of the Armenian state. 1/3 of Armenia's population, that is, almost half of production resources, is concentrated in Yerevan. Also, 98% of educational institutions and scientific research establishments, the majority of banks, the parliament, the government, all the ministries and the state departments, the president's residence, embassies and consulates, the offices of the United Nations and other international organizations and representatives are